Sanbanani, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Happy Valentine's Day to all the ladies and gentlemen. So, guys, if you didn't get something today, it's okay. But if you do have money like Mamkhumalo, I do have an idea for you. All you can do, I'm not going to tell anyone, you don't have to tell anyone. You can go out there and buy something for yourself, and then you come back and present to your husband or to your boyfriend, and then you guys do a mini video acting as if he's the one who got it for you, and then you post on your social media, could be your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your TikTok, and then you guys become a happy couple. You know, guys, and get it. Yes, guys. But if you are single, all you can do for now, you just can log out on social media and then you come back later. It's not that deep. See, pretendelana. Today it's a pretending day. Even side chicks, they did get something. Some even got more than the wives. You know, it's not that deep, guys. Don't take it personally. Anyway, guys, let's get to started today. You know, the rest of the hearts is Samana Pins and Wasale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Guys, there's something that Mamkhumalo mentioned on the direct section about wife number 5. So, if Mamkhumalo says wife number 5 knows everything about the family, then it proves that Usne and wife number 5 are real friends for real. So yesterday, Samsaleko and Mamkhumalo were having conversation on the table season 8, episode 9. Samsaleko was talking about wife number 5. He wants to introduce Mamkhumalo to wife number 5. And Mamkhumalo was asking where she's from, this girl. And Samsaleko started mentioning, girl, she's around the area. And Mamkhumalo was like, you know what? This lady knows me. This lady knows me. She knows everything. She knows where I come from. In fact, she knows the whole family. She even knows the family's secret, the past, everyone's secret. Guys, Mamkhumalo was not happy about that, you know. But at the end, she did say that I have no choice. I need to accept her at the end of the day because my man, he did choose her. So what can I do for now? It's just to say, Yebo Baba Ngiyavuma, and then we move on, guys. So another thing that could make Mamkhumalo not fully accept wife number 5 if she's not financially independent, guys. But if you look at wife number 5's Instagram account, it looks like she's a very smart girl. She's a graduate. Seems like she has a job, guys. You will see her taking pictures in the office. She has a 9 to 5. But it's so surprising. Mamkhumalo, she's the one that paying insurance for the other wives. Well, the other wives, they do have a job. We must remember that Umangwabe, she's a qualified nurse. She has a successful business with her brother. Umayeni works in the municipality. You know, Samsaleka, guys, I saw this video. These other guys were saying, what Samsaleka he's trying. It's just that the other wives, guys, they don't want to do anything. They want Samsaleka to fully be responsible for everything. And he did say, when he said Mamkhumalo is responsible for the insurance, maybe he was saying Mamkhumalo is the one who runs the finance. He's not taking money from her pocket account, you know, from her bank account. My English, from her bank account. So guys, there's a lot of division when it comes to this one. Mamkhumalo, whether she's using her own money or she's using the business money, the trust, you know, because Umayeni, guys, they are saying Umayeni can fix her house. At least the house is now built. All she can do, she can save money and just fix the house, you know. As for Mangwabe, she can pay her own insurance, you know. It's not that deep. As for she has other businesses, guys. She has a business, so they don't understand why Mamkhumalo, she needs to be responsible for everyone. That's the reason why it's hard for her to fully accept wife number 5. And again, it is Sne's friend. Imagine, you know, Sne, guys. Usne, one thing about Sne, if you're Sne's friend, you know that you know what is going on. Do you still remember when Sne was like near pretendelana, guys? A person like Sne, just know that a person who has so many friends, they would rather have deep conversation with their friends than with their family member. If she has an issue with Mangwabe, obviously she will tell Samke instead of telling Mangwabe or tell her dad. It is what it is at the end of the day. Anyway, guys, let's have in a conversation. What do you think about this? Do you think Mamkhumalo, she has a right to be concerned to go wife number 5, or what? It's because of finance, or maybe it's because she's around the area. Anyway, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy